B2B business owners, we'll automate 500 direct messages to your dream clients every month on LinkedIn without spamming or coming off as salesy, and 100% done for you. We are the only B2B agency in the entire world with over 1,000 5-star reviews, and we know exactly what works and what doesn't on this platform. Here's how to break through. First, we assign you a dedicated account manager who's based in the US. Step 2 is we build you a hyper-qualified dream list using LinkedIn Sales Navigator and advanced tactics so we can build one tight niche at a time. Once we take each niche, we write a hyper-personalized sequence to that niche so we can actually break through the noise on LinkedIn. That sequence is 4 touches, and it starts with a connection request to get people to accept and be part of your network forever, and then 3 follow-up messages to everyone who accepts. Now, we launch campaigns within 1 week. You not only approve the targeting list, but you also get to look at and edit the copy to make sure it's perfect to your liking. And we give you a dedicated custom dashboard that is also a LinkedIn automation tool. So all we do is upload that targeting list, upload that copy, and it automatically sends 20 to 25 connection requests a day, plus those follow-up messages. You even have a real-time metrics dashboard that shows you transparently your connect rate and your reply rate and all your leads in one clean inbox. Your account manager is also trained to proactively manage that and make sure you never fall below our minimum threshold.